How you guys doing today? We are back at the good old location. This is a week-long collection, and this video is going to be a bit longer because I want to talk about what I'm planning to do with vending. So it's just a collection, and I'm also going to be adjusting the candy wheel on the Mike and Ikes. So we now have the Mike and Ikes removed. And it's actually pretty easy to adjust this candy wheel. What you're gonna wanna do is unscrew this bolt right here. I'll do that real quick. All right, now it's gone. You can see I just left the bolt on the screwdriver right here so I can put it back in here easier. And then, sorry, it's gonna be pretty hard for you guys to see here. But next you just want I'll do it from down here. Push that thing right there to the left, inwards, like that, to allow for more candy to come out. Now that we did that, we can add these Mike and Ikes back in. Alright, now hopefully that it's dispensing more candy, we could get some more sales on the Mike and Ikes because, like I said, they're getting a bit bad, so I'm going to have to replace them. But I'm waiting till Christmas because I asked for some candy for my machines. So until then, let's just keep the customers happy. Hopefully keep up good sales though. Alright, now let's put this thing back together and get into the collection. So here we are for the collection. We have a problem. I just had to fix the gumball slot because all of this was stuck in it. I assume someone put in like a dime and then a nickel and then a quarter, and it was all just stuck in there, so I assume the collection won't be very good, but let's check it out. Like I said, y'all, I am going to be talking to you guys about my vending plan. So I do have a gumball machine set up to be put at a local pizza place, which I think would do very good, but they haven't responded yet because they're talking, the owners are, about it. So it's not too bad of a collection. There's nothing in the gumball slot. I wonder why. And then later, I'm also hoping to save up for a snack machine to get the real money instead of quarters. But I'll count this out for you guys real quick and see how it did. So you guys are looking at $5.40 for the week, including the nickel and the dime. So not bad. It's been better, but it's also been worse. Anyways, we'll lock this guy up and we'll be on our way. So there she is, all locked up. Don't forget to clean your machines. That'll definitely make sales decrease. But I also want to show you guys me rolling some quarters after this. So see you there. So here on my left are my quarters from last collection, and these are my quarters for this collection. I use this like quarter tube to measure them. It goes up to here when you reach $10, which is a roll. So we just put it at the edge here and throw the quarters in. extra, like right there, you just dump it out. And there is your roll. So you get this thing and open it up and just put it in there. So then it looks something like this. And then finally you have your quarters in here and you fold it. You can fold it anyway really, but I fold it like this. One at each corner, kind of like you're wrapping a Christmas present since it's season. Push it down and then do the same to this side. Push it down. There's your roll. Let's add this board to the collection now. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.